In today's video, we're going to make our own hair clarifying treatment and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. Due to buildup of styling products, shampoo, and conditioners, hair can become limp and lifeless. Use this clarifying treatment to bring back its shine and body. Alright, let's get to it. We need an 8-ounce amber plastic PET spray bottle, 7.5 ounces of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural cleanser. It eliminates oil, dirt, and residue buildup left over from hair products. Its abrasive properties also acts as a gentle exfoliant. It supports the scalp against dandruff. 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to detangle the hair and tame the frizz. It can make your locks shine and give it body. It also eliminates residue from hair products, supports against dandruff, and unclogs hair follicles. First, we need to make the baking soda shampoo. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 3 tablespoons of water to a bowl and mix well. Once your hair is completely wet, apply the baking soda mixture to it. Ensure you coat your hair well from root to tip. Let the mixture sit for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse with water. Now let's make the apple cider vinegar rinse. Add 6 ounces of water and 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar to an 8-ounce amber plastic PET spray bottle and shake well. Spray the apple cider mixture on your hair from root to tip. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse out well with water. Your hair may initially smell like vinegar, but don't worry, it will disappear when your hair dries. Ensure you experiment with the dilution of both treatments. Dry hair will require less apple cider vinegar and baking soda, and oily hair more. However, do not exceed the above-mentioned amounts until you have tested it on your hair. Baking soda is not recommended for people suffering from telogen effluvium, sensitive or extreme dry scalp, or skin disorders such as, but not limited to, eczema or psoriasis. This is not a daily treatment. Use sparingly and only when you feel your hair has excessive residue buildup. Store the apple cider vinegar spray in the fridge and use within 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.